How could this thing happen? Everything 10 reds. Everything, the whole book 10 reds. So how am I gonna go back to the original version of it? Well, where is this? I try asking with this chat GPT. It gave me some something right here, but I tried, but it did not work out. But finally I think I found the solution to go back to the previous version, which is reason I'm recording this right here. Now let's just jump into the solution right here. We're gonna go over to edit file, and then revert back to previous save or browse all versions. Let's go back to the previous page. Yeah, there we are. So I have today version. Maybe where should I do that? Let's just see. Today 212, today 146. Let's just see, today at 1:10 p.m. today, and this is just today. Maybe I go, or I think 1:10 is still not good idea. I'm gonna go back to until yesterday. So let's just restore it. There we go. Until yesterday. So highlights are just intact the way I want it to be, not the whole paragraphs, the whole books 10 red or yellowish or orange. I don't know why this thing happened, but finally I managed to resolve it. Yeah, so yeah, you're welcome.